Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next topic of the cash book as a part of the subdivision of journal or may be called as the books of original entry. Today I will tell you the concept related with the simple cash book and its format also and the double column cash book and concept along with the format. See here the first is the simple cash book. The simple cash book is prepared just like the cash account in the ledger. As the ledger is word is referring to the posting after the journal or the subdivision of journal, we have to put the item into the ledger posting. So here we are referring to the cash account is no need to prepare if the simple cash book is there. The all the cash received are entered in the amount column of the debit side. It means the word is referring the cash book having the two side. One is the debit side and second is the credit side. On the debit side, all the items to be shown from where the money is coming in the business. And the second side is the credit side. It will leads to the where the money is moving out. The reason are listed to the payment side called as credit side. And now this book is to be closed and balanced at the end of the month. If it is the cash book, cash balance is there, it always remain the positive balance. But if you are opening the simple cash book with the bank column only, then it can be positive and it can be negative. But generally we are using the cash for the very small business using the money in cash. So now you may see here, this is the format of your cash book, simple cash book. Now you may see at the top, the debit and credit word is listed. So this is the format of the cash book. The title you may write down here, the cash book. Like the debit side is divided into four parts, date, particulars, LF and the amount. In the same manner, the credit is also divided. So the debit side is for your receiving of money. So the here we will item will be shown from where the money is coming, and on the credit side the particular side will show you the where the money is moving. That means the payment made. So this is the disclosures now. Just to listen, the main meaning of the four items are here on the debit as well as to the credit side. First is the debit column. This column is represent the date on which the transaction has taken the place. Number two, the particulars column. It includes the transactions and the name of the item that is called as the cash received from or to the person who has paid to business. LF column is what is showing the page number of the ledger folio. It means that after this, then ledger and the posting will be maintained, and this will show the page number of the posting, the ledger account. And the amount is means shows the amount of received on the debit side, and on the credit side the amount paid. This is the format of the simple cash book. Now I'm moving to the next, the double column cash book. The double column cash book consists with the cash and bank column. As per the book syllabus, generally double column is referring to cash and bank column, but sometimes the student may attach it to the cash and discount and bank to the discount. Till that it is not specified, you don't have to entertain the discount column here, because discount is not the part of the cash book. It is the reflector of the money is coming less or receiving less or the paid less. But generally the double column cash book is referring to the two column. One is cash column and the second is the bank column. So the two accounts are combined here called as cash and bank only when the double column is demanded. In the business firm, most of the payments are received and are paid by the check. So when it is paid, received or paid by the check, it is required to open the bank column also. So transactions are performed through the banks also as well as for the cash also. So the both column will be entertained here. Now this is the format of the double column cash book. Now you may see on the debit side one more column is attached. So the date, particulars, LF, amount and the bank column is also attached to the debit side as well as to the credit side also. So the five columns are here, but the two columns, amount is for the cash and the bank is for the money dealing with the bank only. So here the date represent the date of the transactions. Particulars what is referring to include the two items cash and bank representing in the name of. If money is received through the bank, then it will be entertained to the bank. If deposit into the same day, or if it is in cash, then it will be shown to the cash column. So LF word is showing the page number of the ledger file or the name of account. Bank shows the cash transaction held by the bank only. So that means this is the format now. You should try to understand. On the basis you have to go through your back exercise now. Thank you.